Hi, my name is Casey Gears. I'm a fourth generation member of the Gears Dairy family. We're in the business of producing milk. My job is to be in charge of all the incoming raw milk and getting it ready to be pasteurized. That includes making the chocolate milk, the strawberry milk, vanilla milk. We make cream, skim through a separator. Once the milk is pasteurized, then we get into the bottling process, and that's where it's really fascinating to watch. We have a debagging table. Each bag has 98 bottles in it. You have to open up the bag, and they run down this table, which pushes them in row by row. They go up like a spiral type conveyor. It's to save a lot of room, and once that bottle is ready, it goes through the filler. There's 28 valves on the filler. It does about 100 half-gallons per minute from the case. It'll travel down the conveyor into the stacker, and they get stacked 6 cases high. From that point, they go into the cooler. Just the way everything works in motion, I find very fascinating. What makes Gears Dairy so cool is the fact that we do just about everything here. Marketing, working on our trucks, inspecting the truck, creating formulas. We don't have anybody come in and do it for us. My job never gets redundant. I always learn that I'm always doing something new. What makes it a great business.